Hello everyone. In the previous lessons, we have gained a preliminary understanding and mastery of the operation and maintenance of common primary electrical equipment in the power system. We know that various electrical equipment are interconnected and together form the power system, working jointly to ensure its stable operation. In actual field work positions, how do frontline technical personnel analyze the power system? Let us now study this section's content together. Overview of electrical main wiring. Through this lesson, you are required to master the concept, functions, and basic requirements of electrical main wiring. Be able to analyze and judge whether the electrical main wiring meets the basic requirements. Cultivate good professional qualities and focus on developing a meticulous and serious work attitude. The key and difficult points of this lesson are the concept, functions, and basic requirements of electrical main wiring. What is electrical main wiring? Electrical main wiring, also known as primary circuit wiring, is a general circuit formed by connecting various main electrical equipment in a certain sequence to receive and distribute electrical energy. Electrical main wiring represents the main structure of the electrical part of power plants and substations, and is an important component of the power system's network structure. It reflects the connection status of primary equipment in the power system. What are the functions of electrical main wiring? As we can see from the left diagram, electrical main wiring. First, it can clearly show how generators, transformers, transmission lines, and loads are connected, and can analyze the control relationships between various equipment. Second, it can reflect the connection relationships of electrical equipment in each circuit, and can truly reflect the operating status of the electrical equipment. Third, it can clearly show us which electrical equipment are used in the system, such as generators, transformers, lines, circuit breakers, and disconnecting switches, etc. The quantity of relevant electrical equipment used can truly reflect the actual usage of electrical equipment on site. These are the three important functions of electrical main wiring. During the design process of electrical main wiring, it is not only necessary to simply consider the connections between various electrical equipment and the role the power system should play, but also to consider the form of electrical main wiring based on the actual working requirements of the power system, such as power supply reliability requirements, safety and stability requirements, and economic requirements, etc. What are the basic requirements for electrical main wiring? Let us analyze them together now. 1. In terms of safety, the design and selection of electrical main wiring and the connection of various electrical equipment must consider whether it is reasonable during actual on-site operations, whether it is prone to misoperation or other operational fault hazards. It must ensure the safety of personnel and equipment during any operation. 2. In terms of reliability, electrical main wiring should meet the power supply reliability requirements of various levels of power loads, under the condition that protection devices do not operate incorrectly during normal operation and do not refuse to operate during faults. It should be able to minimize the power outage range as much as possible and improve power supply reliability. In terms of flexibility, the components of the power system should be able to be dispatched flexibly, and the operation of electrical equipment should be convenient, able to adapt to the needs of various operating modes and maintenance. 4. In terms of economy, on the premise of meeting reliability and flexibility, the main wiring should strive for a simple structure and operating form, and minimize one-time investment and annual operating costs as much as possible. This section has provided a basic introduction to the concept of electrical main wiring, the functions of electrical main wiring, and the basic requirements of electrical main wiring. You need to know that as power workers, our main responsibility is to deliver safe, reliable, and economical electrical energy to millions of households. This requires us to possess certain professional qualities, to more professionally design the connections between various electrical equipment, and to scientifically and reasonably design electrical main wiring that is safe, reliable, flexible, and economical. I hope that after class, by answering the following 3 exercises, you will review the main content of this lesson. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for listening.